Loud budgeting is a financial strategy that has gained popularity, especially among the younger generation, thanks to platforms like TikTok. Let me break it down for you. Definition: loud budgeting involves being vocal and transparent about your expenses and financial situation. It's all about advocating for yourself and creating financial accountability. Mindset shift: instead of thinking, I don't have enough, loud budgeting encourages the mindset of I don't want to spend. It's about making conscious choices to align your spending with your financial goals. Trend origins: the concept gained traction on TikTok, where users openly discuss their budgets, savings strategies, and financial challenges. TikToker Lucas Battle introduced it as something he's adopting in 2024. Opposite of quiet luxury: remember the trend of flaunting luxurious purchases subtly? That was called quiet luxury. Loud budgeting is its opposite: no more hiding financial discussions, instead, be open and honest. Why it matters: rising costs, inflation, and economic uncertainties make loud budgeting relevant. By sharing experiences and strategies, people empower themselves and others to make informed financial decisions. So, if you're considering skipping that expensive dinner or saying no to a destination wedding invite because it aligns with your financial goals, you're practicing loud budgeting,